What's up, guys? Well, I lied. I said last week I wasn't going to mod this car right here. I wasn't going to do anything to the engine or anything. It's going to just leave it all stock. Well, it's a new week, so I lied. So anyway, what are we going to do? Well, under recommendation from fellow YouTuber and somebody else, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the air intake. So I'm going to go with this right here, the JLT. I'm going to be putting this in today, and I'm using the SCT X4 tuner. Now, for any of you guys out there that say, you're afraid to do this, or you don't want to do it, or whatever, you can find somebody to do it for you. My local shop offered to do it for me, but I'll be honest with you, it's pretty easy. It won't take me more than 15-20 minutes to put this intake in, and then the tuner's pretty basic. I read the instructions. I didn't have to because I'm a man and we don't have to do that, but I did it anyway. And basically you upload it to your computer, it updates and everything, you put in your information, and then once we get a hook to the car, it should just be all straightforward. I don't see any issues with it. I mean, if you're afraid of it, you don't want to do it, you don't like working on your own car or whatever, you could definitely get somebody to do it. The only thing is you'd probably have to bring a laptop with you and let them, because that tuner does keep the original stock tune to the car stored. So if I was ever to sell the car and somebody said, well, I just want to put it back to a completely stock to keep the originality of the car, no problem. Can do that as quickly as I'm going to take it out, because I am. And it's really supposed to let the car breathe. One of the problems with these cars is they don't breathe very well. So I'm going to do this. I don't think you guys need to watch me do it, but let me know. Give me a comment, or let me know if you'd like to see me install this stuff or other things that I'll be installing. Yeah, of course there's going to be more stuff, because it's an addiction. You can't stop doing it, right? But anyway, let me know if that's something you guys would like me to drag on the video and show you how to install this stuff and everything. There'll be some colorful words in there. I'm sure you'll enjoy them. Very educational. And but let me know, and I will definitely do that. But anyway, guys, so let me do this, and then once I get it installed, I'll get back at you. Well, there it is, guys. I know, it's huge. Anyway, size doesn't matter, guys. Stop obsessing about the size. But anyway, there it is. 123 millimeter. I was a little concerned about the hood closing on it, but then I realized that that bar is there and it's higher than this, so it's fine. And like I said, this stock airbox, I don't even think it was doing anything for this car. You can see the pipe, and there's the JLT. Shout out to JLT. Super easy installation. The only thing that you had to do, which is not really, it only takes a minute or so, is this. If you can see that, it's a little dark. The map sensor, you had to take that off and put the new one on, which is nothing. It's literally a couple screws, guys, and anybody can do this. So if anybody's charging you to do this or whatever, just do it. It's nothing. And like I said, I save all the parts. to the cars. So if you get the car and you don't like it, you can always change it. You know what I'm saying? Put it back to the way you want it. Do what you want to do. This is for me. It's not for anybody else. So I put this on, and piece of cake. Now let's talk about the tuner. A couple things that you should know. Couple things you should know about the tuner. First being, when you first get the tuner and you first take it out of the box and start doing stuff, you have to update the tuner. Beep, beep, beep. That's all, folks. Anyway, you have to update it. You have to put it in your computer, and once you do that, I mean, it updates itself. It takes, I don't know, 15 minutes or so, whatever. It updates the computer, and once that's done, you just follow the instructions. It is so simple. It asks you some questions like what size air intake did you get and stuff like that. And it also asks you if you want to change the spark, advance the timing, anything like that. For you guys that are like super advanced or whatever and you want to do that, cool. For me, no. And I guess I don't know, it also saves your stock tune. So if you ever got the car, or if I ever sell the car, this will go with it. This right here will go with it. And if you want to put the car back to stock, you can do that, and you can put the stock tune back in, and the car will be 100% stock again. But I'm not going to do that, and I just feel the car needs to breathe better. Whatever else the tune is putting into the car, whatever, that's fine. I didn't select anything on the tuner. The only thing I selected was for the air intake, and it does ask you what size, so you gotta put that in. It asks you a few other things like the size of your motor and stuff like that, and you know, basic questions. But then basically it just downloads everything to the car. You're done. You start the car up. Piece of cake, guys. Piece of cake. So if you're thinking about doing this, or you're apprehensive about it because you're like, ah, shit, you know, I gotta get a tuner and all this stuff, don't be. It's a piece of cake, guys. And if you have a laptop or a home computer, you can do this yourself. It'd probably take you about, with putting that in and doing the upgrade and everything, probably an hour tops. So I would recommend it, and I'm gonna tell you right now, this SCT tuner or whatever, it is super cool. Like, it just walks you through everything. It's super cool. And the JLT, it's second to none. It's just all fit and finish. It's right there, guys. You're not struggling to make it fit, nothing. It just goes right in. Did I say that? Of course I did. Anyway, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that somebody out there, you know, if you see this video and it helps you along or helps you make a decision to do something like this, great. If not, hey, you know, you can always get somebody to do it for you. My local shop offered to do it for me, and, you know, I appreciate that, but I'd rather not pay somebody to do something that's just so simple. But again, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.